Ever wondered if the crypto train has left the station without you? Today, we're to dispel some myths. We'll tackle a persistent worry. Are you late to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies? Absolutely not. Crypto remain an excellent opportunity for investment as you are planning or facing your retirement. Early adapters of crypto have indeed benefited, but that doesn't mean the opportunity has vanished. There is still a considerable amount of untapped potential waiting to be discovered. The wheel of fortune may turn slower for latecomers, but it does turn. Early adopters gained big, but there's still plenty of room for newcomers. Now, on to the next big question, to mine or to buy? Mining involves intricate calculations and resource commitment. It can be profitable, but becomes tougher as new miners enter. On the other hand, buying is straightforward. Your decision will hinge on your understanding and objectives. Risk tolerance should guide your choices. So whether you choose to mine or buy, welcome to the thrilling world of crypto. Join us on this journey by liking this video and subscribing to the channel.